Welcome to this review of the Onforu 50 watt LED outdoor light. One thing you want to note about this, you'll see that there are reliefs here in the casting that would potentially be for either a dusk to dawn or a motion sensor. This light that I'm reviewing does not have those features. It is a very basic light, but it's actually what I wanted. Because where I use this space outdoors, I really don't want a motion light because it would illuminate the house behind me, and that would yield to some issues with, disrupting the guests in the other house. So this one gives me the ability to control it with a switch, and I did put a timer on mine. None of this comes with the light. You only get the light itself, but it gives you a lot of flexibility with how you can set it up and use it. So this light only draws 50 watts of electrical energy, and yet it puts out the light of 400 watts of incandescent lights. So it's definitely an energy saving utility device to get you a lot more light output for the same amount of electrical energy. It's also IP65 rated, so it's going to handle the weather just fine. I mounted mine on traditional conduit. It can also be surface mounted if you like. Nice thing about this, it does have adjustable wing lights on either side, and also the whole panel can move up and down. So it is pretty effective in its adjustability for aiming the lights. And for lighting up this little area outside, as you'll see here in a minute when I put up the footage of what this looks like at night, it really lights up my outdoor air gun range very nicely. So do I think this light's a good value? I think for the price it's unbeatable. It really gives a quality unit, lots of cast aluminum, and really high output LEDs. And I would definitely get one again.